Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make an authentic Italian pasta sauce, Lionfield style. First, let's talk about the foundation, your ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of ripe, fresh tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, and a handful of fresh basil. Don't forget a generous amount of good quality extra virgin olive oil and your favorite pasta, perhaps spaghetti or rigatoni. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. In a large pan, heat about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil over a low flame. Add 2 finely minced garlic cloves. It's important to cook the garlic gently until it's fragrant and slightly golden, but never burnt. This slow infusion of garlic into the oil is key to a rich, authentic taste. Once your garlic is perfect, it's time for the tomatoes. Add 1.5 pounds of crushed or finely diced fresh tomatoes to the pan. Stir in a generous pinch of salt, some freshly ground black pepper, and a few torn basil leaves. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer and let it cook for at least 20 minutes or even longer, stirring occasionally. This slow simmer allows all the flavors to truly develop. Finally, cook your pasta until it's perfectly al dente, reserving about 1 cup of the starchy pasta water. Drain the pasta and add it directly to your simmering sauce. Toss everything together, adding a splash of pasta water if needed to create a beautiful, emulsified sauce. Serve immediately with a sprinkle of fresh Parmesan cheese and more basil. For more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.